Perfect.
Today, we're installing a new BTR Stage 2 cam and a set of Stainless Works headers on this 15 Silverado. Let's get you up to speed. All right, let's tear into this cam install. Engine's staying in, but a lot is coming off. Dropping down the front axle makes it super easy to get the oil pan out. Engine disassembly always makes a mess, so clean as you go. If you look in here, in these ports, so the LT motor is direct injected. So what that means is there's no fuel going through the intake and the ports of the cylinder head. So what that leads to is a lot of carbon buildup on the cylinder head and the back of the valve. This car's only got 26,000 miles on it, and that looks pretty bad. For this truck, we're going to take it apart. We're going to clean the valves, clean the combustion chambers, get that all cleaned up and squared away. After the heads get disassembled, we throw them in the hot tank for a bath. Shout out to BTR for hooking us up with this Stage 2 kit. Comes with everything we need, a DoD delete kit, hardware, gaskets, and of course the cam. Plenty of lube to protect the camshaft, and we slide it right into the block. Swapping springs on the bench is always easy. Here's our new BTR springs going in. To go with our headers, we're doing MSD wires and some NGK plugs. Fuel injectors always get new seals for direct injection motors. The exhaust kit from Stainless Works comes with headers and high flow catted mid pipes. Changing out the original LT1 manifold for a new LT2. For performance, we only use high quality fluids. So we're going to top her off and button her up, and we're ready to fire. After a tuning and dyno session, we ended up with 329 wheel horsepower and 366 foot-pounds of torque. Now time to verify our install and tune with a proper road test. That's all for this truck grade. Make sure to like, subscribe, click that bell to get notified. Truck yeah!